Welcome back. Feast of St Joseph Vaz was celebrated at Sancoale and other churches in the state. This is the first feast being celebrated after Blessed Joseph Vaz was declared as a saint. Pope Francis declared Blessed Joseph Vaz as saint in Sri Lanka on Wednesday. Archbishop of Goa Philip Neri Ferrao has appealed masses to follow the path of Jesus Christ. Thousands of people thronged to the church in Sancoale to participate in the grand feast of St Joseph Vaz. Archbishops Blasco Culasso, Alvin Barreto, Joseph Couto of Karachi were present with Archbishop Philip Neri Ferrao. As a part of celebration, glorious cake was being cut and shared.
तीनशे वर्सां उपरांत ह्या गोंयच्या पुताक आमच्या गोंयच्या धर्म प्रांताच्या आस्कऱ्याक जुझे वाझाक हो भाग्यवंताचो मान मेळ्ळ्या उपरांत ही पयली परब भाग्यवंत जुझे वाझाची आयज आमी समोरमल्या. पोरच्या दिसा श्रीलंकेक फ्रांसीस आमच्या पाप साहेबान जुझे वाझाक पवित्र सभेचो भाग्यवंत म्हूण परगटायलो आनी हे भाशेन ताका आमच्या दोळ्या मुखार एक नमुनो कसो ताणें दवरला. जुझे वाझान यादनीक कसो आपलें जिवीत दुसऱ्यांची अदीक करून दुबळ्या धाकट्याची गोरजेमंदाची सेवा चाकरी करून खोरशिलें. आपल्या यादनीकपणाची पयलीं वर्सां ताणें गोंयांत लोकांची सेवा केली. उपरांत मंगलोरचे दियोसेजीन यादनीक कसो ताणें आपलें जिवीत खोरशिलें आनी त्या उपरांत तो श्रीलंकेक गेलो आनी 24 वर्सां थंय बेश्ट्या पांयांनी भोंवून सगळ्या लोकांची ताणें सेवा चाकरी केली. खरीत भाशेन श्रीलंकेक एकचार बांदूंक वावुरलो.
Feast of St Joseph was also celebrated at shrine in Benauli. The saint was born and baptized in Benauli.
जुझे वाझान एक देख दवरले आमकां आमी सोटली भाव भयणां आमी एकचार रचून हाडटा आमचे मदें नाका जात आमचे मदें नाका तात म्हणून आमी गायन करता.
The feast was also celebrated by faithfuls in Shorrow.
जुझे वाझ हांगा आयिल्लो अशें तो गांवांत चडणीचोच पूण ताजी सामाय सापाय ती सगळी गेल्ली साकवाई रावपाक कित्याक हांगासर पुलीस पडलेली आनी रावंक जायना हाल्या लोकांक.
Bureau Report, Prudent. The Supreme Court has stayed the trial for 3 weeks in Tarun Tejpal rape case. The Supreme Court has directed prosecution to supply clone copy of the CCTV footage connected with this case before the resumption of trial. At the same time, the Supreme Court has directed Tarun Tejpal not to further delay the trial on any other ground.
During the hearing before the Supreme Court on Friday, counsel of Tarun Tejpal contended that the prosecution is deliberately delaying the supply of mirror image of CCTV footage of the hotel where alleged rape was committed. Tejpal's counsel also challenged the trial's court order directing the defense of presence their argument on framing the charges even without the CCTV footage. Accepting the plea of rape accused Tarun Tejpal, the Supreme Court stayed the trial till electronic document is provided to the accused. The Supreme Court directed the prosecution to supply clone copy of CCTV footage within 3 weeks. But the apex court has made it clear to Tarun Tejpal not to further delay the trial on any other ground. Tarun Tejpal has been charge-sheeted by the crime branch for raping a lady journalist in Goa's Hotel Grand Hyatt on 7th November 2013. Charge sheet was filed in February 2014, but the trial court is yet to frame charges against Tarun Tejpal. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
The Private Bus Owners Association in South Goa wants the government-owned Kadamba Transport Corporation to be headed by a bus owner. South Goa Private Bus Owners Association has demanded that Kadamba should be headed by Kunkoli MLA Rajan Naik. The association feels that Rajan Naik can handle the corporation better as he has experience in the transport sector.
92 ते 93 जेन्ना गोंयचे मुख्यमंत्री प्रताप सिंग राणे आसलो त्या टायमार ताणें एक नाटक केलें कुट्टाळेची पूल आसा तें मोडलो म्हणून आनी त्या टायमाचेर 122 बसी प्रायवेट बसी ज्यो ताबडतोब काडून उडयल्यो आनी नॅशनलायज केले आनी आयज जे 122 जे ऑपरेटर आहाय ते आयज वाऱ्यार पडले तेंची सरकारान केन्ना दाखल घेयले कडेन ना. मंडळ जर अशें जर लॉसां उरलें जाल्यार प्रायवेट बसीवाल्या कडच्यान जे लॉस जातात ते प्रायवेट बसीवाल्या कडच्यान वसूल करपाचो सरकाराचो प्लॅन आसता. मेन म्हणल्यार रोड टॅक्स वाडोवप वर्सा वर्साक, पॅसेंजर टॅक्स वाडोवप वर्सा वर्साक, जे बस स्टँडाचेर टोल फी आहा तेजो टेंडर वाडोवन दिवप आसता आनी बसवाल्यांची प्रायव्हेट बसवाल्यांची अक्षरशः पिळवणूक केली वयता. हांव सरकारा कडेन विनंती करता आनी जात तितले मदगती मुख्यमंत्र्याची भेट घेवपाची हांव ट्राय करतलो. मुख्यमंत्र्याक पत्र बरयतलो. इमिजिएटली जे कदंबाचें कॉर्पोरेशन आहा तें ताबडतोब काडचें आनी राजेंद्र नायकाच्या हातीन दिवचें आनी जो 2.5 वर्सांचो काळ उरला त्या 2.5 वर्सांच्या काळाक ट्राय करून पळोवचें.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.